You know. I mean, but definitely. Look at her thighs. I've been really trying. Virgin. I'm checking the phone number. Oh, you can go first. I saw her first, but I'm getting it. All right, all right. You know when I like real quick before I could even tell. I was saying, man, look at her legs. I've been really trying. Definitely not a virgin, but still. You go check her, man. So you want to give me that and check the previous one, but you don't want not back that the ties not that you got that. I thought you want her more than me, the more than I want. Yeah. So when I was a kid, I was taught that if there's gap between a girl's thighs, she's definitely not a virgin. And if her thighs are tight while she walks, she's definitely a virgin. What I wanna say is stop believing in those stupid theories, and I was dumb as fuck in the past, but not now. Yeah, that's all. Subscribe.